Start your morning with a delicious breakfast burrito that's warm, filling, flavorful, and incredibly easy to make. This easy breakfast recipe combines fluffy scrambled eggs, crispy potatoes, melted cheese, and fresh vegetables wrapped in a warm tortilla. It's perfect for busy mornings, weekend brunch, or a quick meal you can enjoy on the go. Let's get started. You'll need 4 large flour tortillas. Prepare 4 large eggs for the scrambled egg filling. You'll also need 1 medium potato, peeled and diced into small cubes. Prepare half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. You'll need half a small onion, finely chopped. Add half a bell pepper, diced into small pieces. Prepare 2 tablespoons of cooking oil or butter. You'll also need salt and freshly ground black pepper. Add half a teaspoon of paprika for extra flavor. For freshness, prepare a handful of chopped cilantro or parsley. You can also add cooked bacon, sausage, avocado, black beans, or salsa for extra flavor. Start by heating a skillet over medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and place the diced potatoes into the pan. Season the potatoes with salt, black pepper, and paprika. Cook the potatoes for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally, until they become golden brown and crispy. Add the chopped onion and bell pepper to the skillet. Cook everything together for another 3 to 4 minutes until the vegetables become tender. Remove the cooked vegetables from the skillet and set them aside. Now it's time to prepare the scrambled eggs. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Season with a small pinch of salt and black pepper. Whisk the eggs until the yolks and whites are completely combined. Heat the skillet over low to medium heat and add a little butter. Pour the beaten eggs into the skillet. Gently stir the eggs with a spatula as they cook. Cook until the eggs are soft, fluffy, and just set. Avoid overcooking the eggs because they can become dry. Now let's build the perfect breakfast burrito. Warm each flour tortilla in a dry skillet for about 15 seconds on each side. Place 1 warm tortilla on a clean surface. Add a layer of scrambled eggs down the center. Top with crispy potatoes and sautéed vegetables. Sprinkle a generous amount of shredded cheddar cheese over the filling. Add cooked bacon or sausage if you want a heartier burrito. For extra freshness, add sliced avocado or a spoonful of fresh salsa. You can also add a little hot sauce if you love spicy flavors. Now comes the important part, rolling the burrito. Fold the left and right sides of the tortilla toward the center. Then fold the bottom edge over the filling. Roll the tortilla tightly forward until everything is completely wrapped. Place the burrito seam side down so it stays closed. For an extra crispy finish, heat the burrito in a skillet for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. The tortilla should become lightly golden and crispy. The melted cheese will bring all the delicious ingredients together. Slice the breakfast burrito in half and look at those beautiful layers. You should see fluffy eggs, crispy potatoes, colorful vegetables, and melted cheese in every bite. Serve your breakfast burrito with fresh salsa, avocado, sour cream, or your favorite hot sauce. This recipe is perfect for busy mornings because you can prepare the filling ahead of time. Wrap individual burritos and store them in the refrigerator for a quick breakfast during the week. You can also customize your burrito with different vegetables, proteins, cheeses, and sauces. For a healthier option, use whole wheat tortillas and add extra vegetables. For a high-protein version, add black beans, grilled chicken, or turkey sausage. The best thing about a breakfast burrito is that you can make it exactly the way you like. It's warm, satisfying, flavorful, and packed with everything you need to start your day. If you enjoyed this easy breakfast burrito recipe, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to FlavorMint for more delicious and easy recipes from around the world. Turn on notifications so you never miss our next recipe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next delicious recipe.